The Science and Technology clusters works in areas of national importance, leveraging the existing strengths in geographical proximity, driving future economic growth, wealth creation, and enabling rapid and direct knowledge exchange. 6 such city clusters focused on health theme have been initiated under the Office of PSA at Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Delhi, Hyderabad, Jodhpur, and Pune. This video highlights the initiatives under health theme from all clusters. The initiatives are presented in 3 parts: projects, deep tech startup related activities, and regional ecosystem strengthening. The clusters are strategic conveners undertaking collaborative projects with many key impactful partnerships. More than 30 projects has been initiated by raising 20 to 77 lakhs INR in funding. The diverse projects are divided into 4 categories. 2 of the key projects are highlighted in the video. One of the major challenges faced during the COVID-19 was the need to import RT-PCR kits, which were expensive and in short supply. Hyderabad cluster worked with the National Reagents Consortium initiated by the Office of the PSA to support indigenous testing kits, reagents and components available from Indian MSMEs and startups. Pune cluster worked extensively during COVID for understanding the epidemiology in the Pune region. Their surveillance consortium included all important stakeholders including institutions, hospitals, diagnostic labs, and sequencing centers. For many of these, like Genomic Consortium, Wastewater Consortium, Vaccine Immunogenicity Consortium, Pune cluster was involved in identification and selection of stakeholders, managing the funds, managing the partnerships, working and liaising with trial sites and laboratories. They also worked with hospitals to collect, collate and digitize clinical data of COVID-19 patients, which will be made available for research through an open-source searchable dashboard. Delhi cluster was involved in developing early warning systems with AI and ML. These models were taken up by ICMR. Another example is the Wash Karo engine, which was an app for raising wash awareness during COVID. This was incorporated in the Delhi Corona app. The National One Health National Mission led by the Office of PSA and Bangalore cluster has taken the lead for building a strong network of partners to mitigate the challenges that novel outbreaks may bring. One Health model focuses on multi-stakeholders to deliver impactful outcomes for addressing disease outbreaks related challenges. Startups are an integral part of the innovation ecosystem. In the past few years, we have seen a surge in the number of health tech and medtech startups in the country. Programs such as Hyderabad Cluster's Acceleration Initiative for Deep Tech Startups in Devices, Diagnostics, and Digital Health has been instrumental in helping startup with IP, product development, regulatory, clinical validation, market entry, and fundraising and more. We also collaborate with international partners for our startups who are looking to enter international markets, and also act as a soft landing pad for global startups who are looking at Indian market. Clusters also conduct 60 ecosystem strengthening programs. Success stories, breakthrough innovations, and media testimonials. clusters have built several important partnerships with a wide range of stakeholders including institutions, industry, startups, government departments, municipal corporations, NGOs, students and citizens, and became the focal points for leading high-impact initiatives to advance scientific and technological research and innovation.